I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your Google Play subscriptions on an Android device. You'll see both your active and canceled subscriptions. Step 1. Tap to open the Google Play app on your Android device and then tap your profile icon on this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Step 3. Tap Subscriptions in the list of options. The next screen shows you a list of all of your active and canceled Google Play subscriptions. If you want to see more details for a specific subscription, all you need to do is tap that subscription. You'll land on an information screen where you can see when you'll next be charged, how much you'll be charged, and what your payment method is. Alternatively, if you want to cancel a subscription, you can tap Cancel Subscription to do that. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.